इतने सारे आपने स्पेशली वुमेन लीडर्स को कवर किया है, सो ऐसा क्या है जो आपको लगता है कि वो हमें इंस्पायर करेगा एज नॉर्मल वुमेन?
The only thing that these successful women leaders tell me to have is like patience. People just sit somewhere and expect everything to happen. वो तो नहीं होने वाला है.
हर सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है. तो अब रिवर्स भी एप्लीकेशन होती है.
People like to see those kind of struggles in your life. If you've gone through it, you've become more polished. If you don't enjoy your own company, you're definitely living in a very terrible company.
आज भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्या वो मेन पर्सपेक्टिव है कि हम लीडर्स नहीं बन पाएंगे या हमारा अपना थिंकिंग है यार?
Women actually are going through a lot of imposter syndrome, which is like they have this self-doubt that are we good enough? So it also depends on who you are with, जो आपको सही से संभाल के रख रहे हैं कि नहीं. So company matters a lot.
Like as women, you don't get more time. But how are they able to get more time?
The new age will see more women in the next 10-20 years. You'll see more women CEOs and whatnot.
So how do you see women evolving from earlier generations to today?
Younger people are now more open to working with Gen Zs because they want to bring those creative ideas in. Younger CEOs are like, just तुम्हारी company, हमारी company. Money is not something that most women get satisfied from.
Hi guys, welcome to Supra Edit Podcast episode number 11. आज तक हमने बात करी न्यूट्रिशन, हेल्थ, चिल्ड्रन हेल्थ. आज हम थोड़ी सी बात करेंगे वुमेन हेल्थ की. वुमेन हेल्थ कैसे? जैसे आप जानते हैं, हम जब काम करते हैं, हमारी और भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होते हैं, हमारा हेल्थ थोड़ा बैक सीट लेता है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आज के गेस्ट हमें थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि एग्जैक्टली वुमेन कैसे मैनेज करते हैं अपने हेल्थ को और अपने काम को. सो आज के गेस्ट का नाम है राधिका बजोरिया. आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, उनको यंगेस्ट इन दिस कंट्री अवार्ड किया गया है लिंक्डइन टॉप वॉइसेस से. ये भी कम नहीं है, शी इज़ ऑल्सो बीन अवार्डेड एज एक्चुअली टॉप 25 मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंशियल वुमेन वर्ल्ड लीडर्स इन मुंबई. साथ में शी इज़ ऑल्सो बीन कॉल्ड इन टू डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स, especially like IIM Calcutta, and also she's been a TEDx speaker at age 21. That's amazing. Young है but बहुत फोकस और एम्बिशन है. साथ में वो एक एक्चुअली नॉलेज शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म भी रन करती हैं बाय नेम ऑफ Radically Yours, जहाँ पे यू हैव वेरियस वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कमिंग टुगेदर. दे प्रोवाइड रिसोर्सेज, लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज, एंड यू नेम इट, अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर all the women in the world. So it's very important to have someone young and budding these days to see कि क्या है जो एक woman को help करता है अपने obviously काम के लिए, अपनी responsibilities के लिए, और अपने health को कैसे manage करें और कैसे हम उसको best deliver करें. So आइए अपने guest को welcome करते हैं, राधिका बजोरिया. Thank you, Radhika, for coming on our podcast. We are really happy to have you, and you've come all the way from Mumbai, and we're really excited to have you on our podcast.
Imagine how attractive is your podcast.
Oh,
that
thank
has come
you.
all the way from Bombay
I'm
to
already
Faridabad and your
obliged.
beautiful house.
Thank you.
And I love the fact that you set this up in your house because
Yeah.
it's such a nice vibe over here. It doesn't
Thank
feel
you.
like outside somewhere.
That
जहाँ
was
पे
the
इतना
idea.
वो माहौल बना देते हैं, इतना सीरियस वाला, जबरदस्ती का.
जी.
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है मुझे.
पूरा लॉजिक ही है कि वी जस्ट चिल एंड वी जस्ट टॉक एज इफ हम लोग बस घर में चाय पी रहे हैं, एंड वी जस्ट टॉकिंग रॉ, एकदम रियल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई सेड यार घर पे करते हैं, उसका मजा ही
Just feel it's like coffee with Karan. You are the celebrity.
I pretend as if I'm one and try to give you some gossip.
Let's hope for
coffee
it.
with Supra.
Coffee with Supra, correct. You should do that actually.
Yeah.
हाँ.
सो राधिका, आई एम वेरी इंस्पायर्ड जो आप कर रहे हो आजकल के ज़माने में. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग एंड सच अ यंग एज. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा बताओ, रेडिकली योर्स क्या है एंड क्यों, एंड व्हाई वुमेन ओनली?
So Radically Yours का existence बहुत ही randomly आया because I worked with a law firm in the corporate law space, and वहाँ पे I was like doing the hiring. I was hiring lawyers being a non-lawyer. And then I told my mentor that मुझे लोगों से बात करना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे खुद का एक शो करना है, I just love conversations, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि लाइफ में करना क्या है, अभी HR थोड़ी करूँगी मैं ज़िंदगी भर. तो मैंने बस बोला था मुझे पता नहीं क्या करूँगी. मैंने पढ़ाई भी सिर्फ BMS की है विद स्पेशलाइजेशन इन मार्केटिंग. And then when he asked me this कि सोचा है कुछ फ्यूचर का, I was like नहीं, बस लोगों से बात करते रहना है मुझको. तो फिर तब ये आइडिया आया कि पॉडकास्ट करते हैं. एंड his vision was that in finance women है ही नहीं, और है भी तो उनकी स्टोरीज नहीं है मीडिया में. बिकॉज अभी मैं लोगों को भी पूछूंगी कि आलिया भट्ट, दीपिका पादुकोण को कितने लोग जानते हैं, सब लोग बोलेंगे या एवरीवन.
Yes, definitely.
बट इफ आई आस्क कि सेबी की चेयरपर्सन एक लेडी थी, वो भी फर्स्ट फीमेल who was appointed as chairperson of SEBI. She's no longer there, but so people will be like, no, we are not aware.
Yeah.
So I was like, क्यों? जहाँ से पैसा आ रहा है मेन सोर्स से, वो ही लोगों को नहीं पता है कि women वहाँ पे लीड कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
So I was like, might as well start a show dedicated to women leaders. And on LinkedIn, I had built a presence of 2 lakh followers.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Because I've been writing on LinkedIn since at the age of 18.
Oh,
तो
wow.
कॉलेज से ही मैंने शुरू कर दिया था लिखना. दोस्त वोस्त थे नहीं मेरे, तो लिंक्डइन ही मेरा दोस्त था. वहाँ पे मतलब पर्सनल डायरी की तरह मैं वहाँ पे मेरे नोट्स लिखती थी, जो लिखते लिखते बड़ा बनते गया. So
That's
I was
beautiful.
like, already LinkedIn पे distribution है अपना, so might as well start a podcast and see where it leads. So now I've been interviewing so many different people, and it just excites me, like the way how you get excited talking to different people from different industries.
Oh, absolutely, and I completely agree. And I guess we both love talking to people. And probably passion है हमारा, and इसीलिए हम ये podcast करते हैं. But obviously today's is all about you, not us. So इतने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ एंड इतने सारे आपने स्पेशली वुमेन लीडर्स को कवर किया है. सो ऐसा क्या है जो आपको लगता है कि वो हमें इंस्पायर करेगा एज नॉर्मल वुमेन? यू नो, व्हाट शुड आई लर्न फ्रॉम देम, व्हाट शुड आई सी इन देम, और व्हाट डिड यू सी इन देम?
I think after speaking to so many women, मुझको ये पता चला है कि the one thing that they talk about is their personal lives. That how balanced do they have to keep their personal lives and find the right partner for them. Because they're like, अगर वो गलत choose कर लिया आपने, तो आपका personal, professional सारा life बर्बाद हो जाएगा. And this is that one common advice that all the women leaders give to me when I ask कि young women को क्या सीखना चाहिए आपसे. They're like, बाकी काम वाम तो वो लोग सीख लेंगे, उनको सिखाने वाले बहुत होंगे. But how do they understand and get that intuition to recognize the right partner in their life? Because a lot of people are just like going around with so many, you know, men or women, and they don't have that clarity कि हमारे लिए सही कौन है और गलत कौन है. And in that kind of confusion, you end up wasting so much time कि आप जो प्रोफेशनली भी अचीव कर सकते थे वो टाइम में, वो कर नहीं पाते हो. सब कुछ डिले हो जाता है. एंड इन दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन, यू नो, एवरीबडी जस्ट वांट्स क्विक सक्सेस, क्विक मनी, क्विक पार्टनरशिप. But the only thing that these successful women leaders tell me to have is like patience and that compounding effect which comes with patience. That, you know, आज आपने कुछ बीज डाला है सॉइल में, उसको पानी डालते रहो, बस डालते रहो रोज. Just show up at your work every day and magic will come true. You know, people just sit somewhere and expect everything to happen. वो तो नहीं होने वाला है. So when I hear these things, especially from people who have done something, so then I feel like ठीक है, ये सही बात है. नहीं तो there are many people like you know, Sandeep Maheshwari and all who are into motivation, जो उनका भी सुनते हैं. But I like to understand from people who actually build businesses, who don't just talk. So yeah, I just feel that money is very secondary for these people, by the way.
Oh, is it?
They say कि money आएगा अगर आपका पर्पस सही है तो. और बस करने के लिए कुछ मत करो, मजा आ रहा है तो करो. ये बहुत सब लोग बोलते हैं कि मजा आना चाहिए, क्योंकि कब तक करोगे आप कुछ ट्रेंड के लिए, सिर्फ एक हफ्ता, एक महीना, एक साल. बट 10 साल के लिए कुछ करना है तो उसमें एक्चुअल मजा होना चाहिए. एंड टू फाइंड दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वन ऑफ द अदर थिंग्स दैट दीज पीपल आल्सो सेज that they're also getting into spirituality because it helps them understand themselves at a deeper level. So they do different acts of devotion, service, or practice meditation or stoicism, which is becoming the trending word these days. Just sit in stillness and just observe your breathing moments. Just to understand who you are as a person. आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं.
Absolutely.
So I think these practices, if you do it daily, it just makes you successful, is what I've heard from them. So I'm trying to integrate it in my life. Let's see how it goes.
Very interesting.
I know. I heard Radhika Gupta when you covered, and she's already inspired us. You know how difficulty she'd faced initially and how she's reached to where she is. When I hear these leaders, and especially like I'm still part of corporate life, and obviously we're doing a lot of other things, and now I feel that there's a lot of stress on my, I don't know if the stress is the right word, but there's a lot of extra responsibility also being a mother. There's so much that
Expectations, I think.
expectations are so high, and I want to achieve so much, but I have my 10 other things. And then very rightly said that you need the right partner and support.
Yeah.
And not because he's sitting here I'm saying this, but it matters. Like, who understands your ambitions, your values, and let's say what you want to do in life is something they need to support you. They may not say अरे नहीं घर पे बैठो अभी तुम्हारा 4 काम हो गया है.
Right.
So I think that I agree, but still as a woman I feel there's a lot more responsibility you have to. As a woman it just comes naturally to you, I just feel.
Yeah.
So-
but if you don't think about it, then it's better. Because the more you think, you stress about it, ऐसा लगेगा कि कितना कुछ करना है.
हाँ.
Just like go with the flow, you know. I just came from Rishikesh recently,
Right.
and वहाँ पे सारे spiritual leaders एक ही चीज बोलते हैं. Just keep flowing like Mother Ganga, you know.
Yeah.
भले बीच पे पत्थर वत्थर आए तो और खुश होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो पत्थर से ही तो इतना सीनिक ब्यूटी बनता है वो रिवर का. नहीं तो स्टिलनेस में तो क्या ही दिखेगा वो नदी.
True.
You know, and people like to see those kind of struggles in your life. If you've gone through it, you've become more polished. Let's just think of it as that way. So I think just having that mindset of optimism, no matter what,
Yeah.
it helps you sail through. बाकी तो सब लोग के अपने अपने लाइफ में है ही struggles.
Absolutely.
अपना काउंट करने जाए तो फिर तो endless हो जाएंगे.
No, I completely agree. And बहुत सारे एरियाज भी हैं एज अ वुमन, मतलब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम वो अचीव कर लेंगे, बट कहीं ना कहीं हम वो अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं, बिकॉज वो एक पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट कहीं ना कहीं हम चाहते हैं कि हम करें, बट नहीं हो पाता. बट आई नो, एंड दिस इज वेयर द स्पिरिचुअलिटी
Right.
this is where then that's when you start thinking, no, I need to be at peace. Like sometimes when the whole house is silent, when everybody's gone off to sleep, that's when I sit and do my own thing, like maybe finish my task or do, so that shanti
हाँ.
suddenly अभी बड़ी अच्छी लगने लगी है शांति. पहले हमारी लाइफ ऐसी होती थी, running fast everything. अभी ऐसा लगता है हाँ यार शांति, अभी थोड़ा
Yeah.
calm mind है, थोड़ा उसको मैनेज करते हैं. वो अब ज्यादा बेटर लगता है. शायद पहले मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आता था, अब शायद बिकॉज ambitions हाई हो गए हैं, चीजें चेंज हो गई. So yeah, that
Yeah, embracing
really,
silence is the key
Oh, yeah.
to living life. And
Oh, yeah.
Sadhguru says it, that if you don't enjoy your own company, you're definitely living in a very terrible company. So you need to really, really enjoy being with yourself. And once you're connected deeply to who you are, you
Yeah.
will be unshaken by all the emotions that the world is throwing upon you.
Yeah.
And बाकी फिर everything becomes easy.
Absolutely.
ज़्यादा hard नहीं लगता कुछ.
हाँ, मतलब वो कहावत कहते हैं ना, जो हर सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है, तो अब रिवर्स भी एप्लीकेशन होती है उसकी.
हाँ एकदम.
हाँ,
और क्या,
100%. अच्छा.
अभी तो आपकी तो वाइफ ने दे ही दिया वो स्टेटमेंट
हाँ,
पॉडकास्ट की स्टार्टिंग में ही. वो तो इम्प्लाइड है ही.
हाँ, नहीं, I understand. So मतलब men do play a huge role, is it?
Yeah,
Interesting
yeah,
to
totally.
hear that, yeah, because I also feel that now I think men have become enablers now. Yeah? Earlier they were sort of, let's, for lack of a name, gatekeepers. कि यार, but we are the providers. आप घर पे बच्चों का ख्याल रखो. But I think people have opened up to the idea, and men are now very supportive. That's what I understand.
Yeah.
मतलब that's what I have tried to be with my wife, and I've seen also other men also doing the same.
Yeah.
They are supporting, they are encouraging. They are not just standing at your side, just applauding, right, and just saying कि चलो मैं बस applaud करता हूँ, she's done good. But they are actually doing equal efforts also.
Actually, yeah,
Would you
that's
say that?
very true.
Yeah, is that
Yeah,
true?
I do see that, but unfortunately, there are some traditional families still there.
Yeah.
Where even in the next generation, who are like my age, around 24, 25, they have this mindset that हमने हमारे डैड को देखा है कि वो काम पे जाते हैं और मम्मी घर पे बच्चों को संभालती है और घर को संभालती है, तो हमें भी वैसे ही पार्टनर चाहिए.
Right.
जो ज्यादा घर में अटेंशन दे, बाहर ना दे.
Correct.
तो वैसा अभी भी है, और
Yeah.
मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में मैंने देखा है ये. So I try to educate them on this, that don't follow your
Yeah.
traditional paths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The world has changed.
Yeah, that was the norm, right? So
Yeah.
even in my let's say my family, my father was the let's say the provider, and mom was a housewife, and the expectation around is कि father पैसा कमाएंगे और मम्मी घर संभालेगी, right? Obviously now things have changed. Women have now become independently financially also. They take their own decisions, and they basically are earning for themselves and also working. And I would say they are as equal partners. Yeah, अभी तो
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आता कि how a man can be more in terms of more wiser than a woman, you know, or more mature than a woman. So I think the exposure is the same, and the gender equality is almost same. I think at least in the urban areas.
Yeah.
Things are changing, and I think they are progressing very fast. That's what I've understood. And
Yeah.
as you also said, I also have my friends who are following the same path. Yeah, so there'll be some inflection point when person would change this norm, right? So that will come when men get that exposure. Probably I got that
Exactly,
exposure
yeah.
when I traveled a lot, right? When I traveled abroad, I saw where the woman is equal contributor and women also working. Matlab, imagine they don't have house helps,
Huh.
they don't have
Yeah.
nannies and everything, and
Yeah.
they're managing 2 kids.
Yeah.
And they are having these kids coming over for babysitting and all those things. When I saw all that, then I realized that we are living in heaven. Yeah, यहाँ पे तो सब
Yeah.
जने सब कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
Too many helps,
So yeah, so that's where, see, now my son will be also obviously doing what I did with my wife, right?
Correct.
So they will learn from that. So there has to be one person who will changes that in
Yeah,
the
totally.
family.
Surrounding matters a
yeah.
lot, either in your family or otherwise.
Yeah.
Because आप अगर ऐसे ही लोगों के साथ surrounded हो जो traditional paths follow कर रहे हैं, तो तुमको लगेगा कि वही सही है.
वही सही है.
But
Correct.
I think now people are breaking open from the rules and stereotypes,
yeah,
which
yeah.
is great, refreshing to see.
Absolutely,
Definitely,
the way you say,
100%.
Yeah.
beyond the norms, you're breaking the norms and doing a lot of things. So yes, on that, I also feel like my father has also given me equal freedom, where he said, अच्छा तुम्हें जो पसंद है तुम कर लो, क्योंकि कभी-कभी नहीं हो पाता था उस ज़माने में. So मेरा एक question वहाँ पे भी है, जैसे हम ambitious women हैं, you've met so many women, you've interviewed so many women. So जब हम बहुत ambitious होते हैं तो हमारा mental fitness या let's say हमारी जो एक mental ability है या हमारा कहीं ना कहीं वो हिलता है. So what have you learned and what is it that you like to advise a lot of women out there कि जैसे आपने बताया एक तो spirituality है, आप ambitious भी हो सकते हो और अपने mental well-being को भी संभाल सकते हो, उसको हम कैसे deal करेंगे?
So for this, you know, there are so many communities now where equally ambitious men or women can get together and share their problems and vent it out. Because when you feel like, you know, पानी में सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ कोई और भी है, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, you know. वो है ना अपना, what was that movie, Amir Khan's movie?
जब मेरा friend पास होता
Three Idiots.
Three Idiots. She keeps on quoting that to me.
Yeah, all the time.
है ना?
मैं first ना हूँ पर मेरा friend
Friend
first वो
और
ज़्यादा
दुख होता है.
तो ऐसी बात है, मतलब having peers is very important.
Yeah.
And if you have those kind of deeper friendships with people who are actually very much professionally on the same level as yours, then it really helps you calm your nervous system down. Because बाकी दोस्त लोग तो help करेंगे ही जो other industries से है,
Yeah.
but आपको उनके साथ वो satisfaction आएगा नहीं, because ये like ये बात मेरी सुन तो रहे पर समझ पा रहे कि नहीं, ये नहीं पता मुझे.
yeah.
So it's important to have these communities, which is what we're also creating for women. हमने events किए जहाँ पे women investors and founders come and meet with each other, and now we're planning to host like a small group sessions where they discuss their daily problems at work, at personal life, and otherwise also relationships, etc. So that when you actually talk to people, you not only get ideas,
Yeah.
but तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है, someone is hearing me,
Absolutely.
and someone who's hearing me is very well educated and at the same acumen as I am.
Right.
Correct.
So you feel in that safe space and you have that safety net around you. So yeah, I think to your question, that's the answer, that, you know, these communities have really helped women excel. And I was interviewing this chairperson of Deloitte in India, Shefali Guradia. Even she told me that क्योंकि women को हमेशा लगता है कि घर छोड़ के शाम को हम network करने बाहर कैसे आए, तो they have introduced this new concept of barbecue at home.
Okay.
तो they host these barbecue parties at different employees का घर only, ताकि उनकी
very
families भी include हो रहे और देखे कि वो क्या कर रहे
करते हैं,
हैं
हाँ.
और उनको और support करे.
Interesting.
So you know, such nice concepts that the companies are bringing alive. I
Yeah.
think these really help women keep their motivations high and ambitions high and never let it die down. So it also depends on who you are with, जो आपको सही से संभाल के रख रहे हैं कि नहीं. सो कंपनी मैटर्स अ लॉट. कितना ही आप खुद को इंडिविजुअली संभाल लोगे. हम तो साधु संत है नहीं जो हिमालय में आए मेडिटेट करके जो एकदम स्टेबल है. वी डू नीड दैट इकोसिस्टम दैट हैंडल्स अस वेल.
No, I completely agree. Why? Because I've seen the percentage of women in the organization, because I'm also part of an organization where our percentage is 20. 20. There are 650 plus employees global, and we still have 20%. And if you look into the leadership, 4%. Like you know how difficult it is to see that, you know, we are still finding as women that bit in business to, you know, make our impact in the business, because somewhere I don't know, it's just how आज भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्या वो मेन पर्सपेक्टिव है कि हम लीडर्स नहीं बन पाएंगे, या हमारा अपना थिंकिंग है यार हम में वो कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है लीडर बनने की, या हमें नहीं पता नहीं हम कर पाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा तो कहाँ where do you think is this?
Yeah, no, that's a very good question, and this is what I've asked also to a lot of women leaders कि आप जैसे और क्यों नहीं है, where is the gap really? And they said that women actually are going through a lot of imposter syndrome, which is like they have this self doubt that are we good enough? And there have been so many surveys जो ये बताते हैं that if you ask a man that how good you think you are at your work, he'll be like 9 on 10 or sometimes maybe 11 on 10.
Yeah.
But if you ask a woman, she'll
Much
be
lower.
on the very like safe side and
5.
say कि हाँ I think 5, 6 है.
I could have
अभी कर रही
imagined.
हूँ मैं improve, देखते हैं कैसा है, जबकि वो इतना अच्छा कर भी रही होगी.
I'm sure.
So you know nothing can beat that self confidence which sometimes women lack. And I don't know why that is there. Because they really are perfectionists in their mind, you know. उनको हमेशा चाहिए कि हम टॉप पे रहे, और जब तक वो टॉप की सीढ़ी पहुंचते नहीं है उनको लगता है बॉटम पे ही है, बीच में है फिर भी बॉटम पे ही है.
बहुत सही है,
तो
ये
ऐसा
सच है,
है.
ये सच है.
But some people know how to fuel that, you know, lack of confidence into something which can make them supreme in what they're doing. So you just need that fuel sometimes in the form of either mentors, peers, or just like self. तो वही सब, I think that's the reason why this is happening. Also, they've told me that corporate world में women who are at the top, they don't like any other women to reach to the top position. वहाँ पे crab mentality बहुत होता है कि आप अगर top पे हो तो आप नहीं चाहोगे कि और आपके same gender का कोई हो, because आपको already इतनी attention मिल रही है, so why would you want it to be divided?
That's also a good point.
Those people enjoy being the only women in the room because they're like, we are the one. So there is that mentality, and some like a very senior woman from a fund has told me this, that she's gone through this in a media company where she was supposed to be promoted but she couldn't be because her female boss was like, no, she's not good enough, even though she was, and all her peers thought that she was good enough. So ये बहुत politics होता है which you have to navigate through in the corporate world. So you really have to have that thick skin, and that's where I say that if you are spiritual, you'll definitely either fight it or just like leave it and go to like somewhere where this doesn't exist. So there are two ends of spectrums into this, and that's why we see many women just leave everything. So they're like, what's the point of fighting all of this? Like क्या करेंगे ये पैसे का अगर पीस ही नहीं है?
Exactly, मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. Mental peace जब वो toxicity एकदम level पे पहुंच जाती है, like यार मेरा mental peace is more important than getting.
But I think with the next generation of women who are so open-minded, they don't care. They're like, सामने उसने मेरे को बोला तो I'll fight it back. That spirit is there in the new age women because of the technology advancement and so much of exposure today with internet and digital world. So with the new age, we'll see more women in the next 10-20 years. You'll see more women CEOs and whatnot.
Oh yeah.
तो वो जो old mentality थी hierarchy वाली कि you need experience and you need that white hair on your head to, you know, sit on a CEO chair.
Right.
That's going away also because of the startups that so many of them are coming.
True.
And now with the Shark Tank India exposure on television, everybody is like, ये कर सकते तो हम भी कर सकते हैं भाई.
100%.
बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, कोलकाता से नहीं है चलेगा. इंदौर, लखनऊ और even tier 3 से है तो हम करके
Most of the people are
दिखाएंगे.
from tier 3 cities. मतलब हमें पता भी नहीं नाम कौन से हैं. And they're doing so
होगा
well.
कोई बिलासपुर,
And
छतरपुर,
I've
पता
seen
नहीं
so
क्या.
many seasons उसमें एक मदर भी होंगी. मदर हो गया, मदर इन लॉ भी बैठ कर रही होंगी कि
Exactly.
मेरी रेसिपी चल रही है या मेरा वो चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है, दे आर यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. सो मैंने कहा वाह इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yeah.
एंड सिटीज टाउन्स रेदर नाम पता भी नहीं कहां से है.
So because media is empowering women like this by showing stories of such mothers, such daughters, everybody in their household is also changing their mentality.
Absolutely,
They're like, भाई ये इतना business बड़ा कर रहे हैं,
Right.
उनके female workforce को भी लगा के घर में.
Exactly.
तो हम क्यों बंद कर रहे हैं सब लोगों को?
Absolutely.
So yeah, media also changes a lot of things, and
Definitely.
it is changing.
Yeah.
So I also heard your TEDx where you spoke about that, you know, you came from a small village in Maharashtra and you said किसी को, जब मैं friends को बोलती थी तो किसी को पता भी नहीं था, सब हंसते थे कि ये
Yeah.
जगह कहाँ है.
बजोरी क्या नहीं
Pachora, हाँ, but yeah, people used to get confused because it's so rhyming now. Yeah.
So tell me how, sorry, I'm a little intrigued and I'm going a little away because I was very intrigued and you're very young, like if I see that कहाँ से वो inspiration आया that you need to step away from that to bigger city like Mumbai, making your own name,
Yeah.
having those followers. Like what is it? Because I want Indian audience to know
Yeah,
that
yeah.
like Shark Tank, anyone can do and even you can, then they can. So tell me a
So,
little
you know, I'll tell this with a metaphorical example. I was just watching this Instagram pe video where a lion's cub was drowning in the water and the mother was coming and trying to save that cub. But the father was actually pulling the mother away apart
Yeah.
and saying, ऐसे मतलब not saying, दिख रहा था ऐसे कि उसको खुद से सीखने दो ना कैसे करना है. Let him face the dangers alone. तभी
Right.
तो survival instinct build होगा, तभी तो confidence build होगा.
आएगा, वो खुद बाहर आएगा.
So, you know, these are like two different kind of parentings that
Yeah.
shapes you as an individual. And I think whatever fire that I have to move to a city and to build a name for myself, it only came because my parents gave me that kind of freedom, you know, to think like that. Had they told me कि नहीं आपको घर का ही business संभालना है, ऐसे ही करो, यही stream choose करो, I would be like very narrow-minded and my vision would be blurred. But because they told me, yeah, the world is your house. Go wherever you want, do whatever you want.
How nice.
I got that clarity and I figured it out by myself, you know.
Wow.
So I really feel if you are left out in that deep end of ocean, you learn how to swim by yourself.
Oh yeah.
बट आपके पास अगर कोई सपोर्ट हो तो आप सोचोगे ही नहीं ना कि मैं कैसे बचूं. आप बोलोगे कि कोई और देख लेगा मेरे लिए, तो मैं क्यों सोचूं.
Right.
So because I was like left alone ever since I was 17, I moved to Bombay. I was staying alone by myself. I learned it कि ठीक है, खुद से ही करना है, जो करना है, कोई है नहीं. तो जब वो खुद से करने वाली बात आती है तो कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप बिल्ड हो जाता है, you know.
Yeah.
एंड कॉलेज में तो I didn't have friends at all क्योंकि मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आता था.
अच्छा, is it?
या गांव में पड़ी हूँ मैं, एंड गांव की
true.
मेंटालिटी ऐसी थी that if you spoke in English, people would be like, why are you showing off?
Oh, yeah,
Just
true.
speak normally like us. And my mother used to literally teach me from their Red and Martin books.
How
grammar.
nice.
क्योंकि स्कूल की टीचर्स भी प्रॉपर पढ़ा नहीं
नहीं
पाती थी
पाती थी.
इंग्लिश.
Oh my God.
I studied at a municipal school in Pachora, that
Giving me
village.
goosebumps. That's nice. That's so
So like
nice.
बेचारी वो मेरे को इतना पढ़ाती थी और जाके ये लोग मेरे को इतना डिस्करेज करते थे. जो पढ़ी लिखी इंग्लिश थी वो भी भूल
वो भी
जाती
भूल
थी
जाते
मैं.
हो, yeah.
So when I came to Bombay, I was like, यहाँ पे इतना fluent बात कर रहे हैं लोग. How do I match up to their pace? How do I talk? So because I couldn't communicate, I lost my confidence and I didn't build that friendships because I was already thinking in my mind that I don't fit here. And thankfully, because I joined a very good committee in college, entrepreneurship cell, जहाँ पे थोड़े open minded लोग थे, उनने मुझे सिखाया LinkedIn पे कैसे लिखना है, क्या करना है, प्रोफाइल बनाओ. तो वहीं से फिर सब शुरुआत होती गई. And then LinkedIn पे when I got good followers and all, तब तो लोग खुद से ही बात करने आते थे.
Yeah.
True.
तो फिर then that opened me up कि when they asked me कि how did you start writing and all.
Yeah.
So when you start sharing your story, that confidence builds up खुद से कि okay, you know, if people are asking me, I've done थोड़ा बहुत.
Yeah.
तो let me start talking about it.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ से थोड़ा थोड़ा confidence build हुआ. And अभी also I feel whenever I'm talking to a big personality, I'm thankful to God that I don't get scared, you know. पहले
That's what I'm
No, no.
shocked when you say.
We were discussing the same thing, yeah. Then how is she interviewing you? अच्छा, इसको भी कर लिया, इसको भी कर लिया.
किसको interview किया इतने सारे लोग. And when I really heard, like I was seeing all those
Yeah.
videos and you spoke so nice, eloquent, articulate. I mean, it was so nicely done. And now when you say that
हाँ.
आपको आता नहीं था,
हाँ,
I'm
true.
shocked. Because It is
These are all
beautiful.
like C-suite मतलब जो होते हैं ना
Yeah,
वो वाले
it's
लोग हैं,
like
मतलब
the big
imagine
people,
Yeah,
यार,
नहीं,
मतलब आपको लगा
पहले तो-
fumble कर गए या कुछ कर
I
गए
know.
कि किसको इंटरव्यू करने हैं, अब
हाँ.
मेरे को कौन इंटरव्यू कर रहा है? But
नहीं
very-
पहले बहुत मेरे को डराते भी थे लोग,
अच्छा
बोलते थे कि आप MBA कर लो जाके, ये
Okay.
पॉडकास्ट से क्या होगा, what are your future plans, because I started this when I was 22.
Yeah.
So everyone was like keen to know what am I going to do in my future.
Yeah.
And they didn't have confidence in what I was building.
Yeah.
But I knew कि कुछ भी कर रही हूँ मैं तो कुछ तो होगा ही. Like on LinkedIn also when I was writing in college, I didn't get a job. My parents told me once कि क्या जॉब नहीं करना है, कमाना नहीं, देखो आपके फ्रेंड्स लोग कमा रहे हैं.
हाँ,
But I just used to write on LinkedIn and तभी तो कुछ पे वे भी नहीं करता था LinkedIn क्योंकि
हाँ.
followers कम
हाँ,
थे.
कम उस जमाने में
But now I understand कि कंसिस्टेंसी का पावर कितना है कि कुछ भी करते चलो उससे क्या क्या हो सकता है. सो दिस लॉ फर्म ऑल्सो दैट आई हैव सच ग्रेट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एंड वेयर आई वर्क, इट ऑल्सो केम फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन.
Oh.
इवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी वन ऑफ द फेलोज ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस
Yeah.
एंड बी ओनली 11 इंडियंस को ने चूज किया था इंडिया में, एंड आई वाज लाइक वन ऑफ देम. दैट ऑल्सो केम फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन थ्रू अ
Wow.
कनेक्ट.
Wow.
So like it just opens up doors in ways that you can't even imagine.
Oh yeah,
One
absolutely.
thing leads to the another.
I'm sure.
तो बस वैसे ही एक दो स्टेप्स लेती गई मैं, एंड आई थिंक पीपल अराउंड मी हैव बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव, टच वुड. सो दैट हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट. आई डोंट थिंक सो इंडिविजुअली आई कुड हैव डन एनीथिंग.
No, you have it in you, and that's why you have the. You were also voted as LinkedIn top voice, youngest. So
दैट वाज इन 2021.
still, that is something.
2021 तो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं 20 साल हो गए.
मुझको
21 तो अभी है ना.
मुझको ऐसा लग रहा है पर बहुत टाइम हो गया है. मुझको लगता है कल ही बहुत टाइम हो गया, कल का दिन जो मैंने जिया है उसको.
So, मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी, जॉन लेनन कहता है कि हम अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते रह जाते हैं. Life happens when you are literally.
Actually.
Because life happens when you are busy building or
हाँ.
thinking about the future.
Correct.
So हम सोचते रहते हैं, अरे ये अचीव करेंगे, वहाँ जाएंगे, तब लाइफ जिएंगे. अरे लाइफ तभी चल रही है.
Exactly.
So that's what you said ना कि मेरे को कल ही वो लगता है. So
हाँ.
you live every day as
Yeah. I
it
could live
comes.
every day as the last day. I'm
Yeah.
like आज ही जीना है सब, जो
Yeah.
करना है आज ही करना है. But sometimes that becomes overwhelming because you want to do
Yeah.
everything all at
Yeah.
once.
Yeah.
So that's where that balance really helps.
मतलब
कि
वही ना,
कैसे-
इनका इंस्टाग्राम देखो, कभी ये TEDx पे कर रहे होंगे, कभी ये काइने म्यूजिक जा रही है, कभी ये कॉन्सर्ट जा रही है. मैंने कहा ये क्या है, मतलब बैलेंस क्या है, ये कैसा है? तो that's how she's a mystery girl, है ना. So that's why I used to call her.
She's balancing everything.
So I used to call her nerd, but now I've changed her to a cool nerd. You know?
Yeah,
Cool nerd,
yeah, you
I said
did.
it, yeah.
मुझको सब चीज करना पसंद है लाइफ में, मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ड्रग्स एंड ऑल. जस्ट डिस्क्लेमर.
Thankfully. We don't even drink all night.
Yeah,
I remember.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I like to do Ganga Aarti also. Then
Yeah.
I
Oh,
like
nice.
to rave also at a techno party.
Yeah.
जो भी life के experiences है, human
Yeah.
experiences, I like to do all of that.
So you're the second Gen Z we've met, and
Oh.
yeah, and we feel very inspired how you guys have such a different thinking at your age. I don't think so. I would have ever.
Never.
I don't.
And even at this age.
No, I still. I mean, how clarity, how many things, like how you know already that. ठीक है, थोड़ा time
There's
लगेगा.
a lot of awareness for
There's
sure.
a lot of awareness,
lot of
like- like-
we imagine at my age, मतलब around that 21 में यार क्या सोचा था यार, कुछ भी नहीं सोचते थे हम.
No.
So interesting, yeah.
It's also because the exposure is so much अभी.
Yeah,
तो
so-
जितना आप लोगों से बात करते रहो,
Yeah.
जितना आप देखो सही लोगों को सोशल मीडिया पे, उससे
Yeah.
भी बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन और क्लैरिटी आता है
That's-
कि ये तो नहीं
definitely.
करना है,
हाँ,
इसके
हाँ,
जैसा तो नहीं बनना है.
No, no, that
true.
is
तो
also
पर
true.
क्योंकि पहले तो आप खुद के फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंसेस से ही
Yeah,
सीखते थे,
correct.
एंड टाइम इज लिमिटेड, हाउ मच विल यू डू एट वन टाइम.
Yeah,
पर
yeah.
सोशल मीडिया के कारण आजकल यू कैन लिव लाइफ
हाँ.
ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑन योर फोन.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
तो
absolutely.
अलग ही दुनिया
No, I
है.
remember my life is like वो जो होता है ना, टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल किया, सीखे फिर के.
Yeah.
और टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल में भी पेरेंट्स ने मना किया मत करो, मुझे पता है कि ये नहीं होगा, ये तो वो भी नहीं किया. मतलब 10 में से 5 तो उसके मम्मी पापा ने मना कर दिया कि मत करो,
हाँ.
और 5 में से वो उसमें से भी 2 जो कर पाए परस्यू इतना देर किया, उसमें भी फेल हो गए, तो बाकी 3 भी छोड़ दिए. That's just our story those days, right?
Yeah.
So we स्टेप टू द ट्रेडिशनल नॉर्म कि यार चलो ठीक है फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं और क्या
हाँ.
करेंगे. बेस्ट पार्ट यही है, 2-3 साल काम करेंगे, फिर शादी हो जाएगी, बच्चे हो जाएंगे. That was the culture then, or the norm then.
Yeah.
So good to see now we met Gen Zs. They are like
Very, very different
breed
mindset.
altogether.
Yeah, like
different breed.
wildfire.
Yeah, true.
No, very inspiring. I love it. Like, you know, and I love to work with Gen Zs. Like, I also have my team who's Gen Z.
Yeah.
And I love it how they come with such creative ideas. Like, and how open, you know, let's just do it. Oh, this is not working. Okay, let's just try this. Earlier, we will say, acha, boss saying yes or no, we agree. We don't apply our too much.
Gen Z में fear है ही नहीं.
नहीं, fear नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं है. लाइक एक इंटर्न मेरे साथ काम कर रहा था, वो 19 इयर्स का था. एक दिन आके बोलते हैं मेरा मन नहीं आ रहा है अभी और मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा है इंटर्नशिप में, तो मैं कल से नहीं आ रहा हूँ. खत्म. हमने ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है यार.
नहीं, अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दे दिया. जेन ज़ी कह रहा है सर मजा नहीं आया, नहीं आया. ये मजा नहीं आया क्या होता है?
मजा नहीं आया.
मतलब he doesn't have a job also.
Exactly.
कोई other alternative नहीं, मैं घर बैठ जाऊंगा.
हाँ.
ये कैसे हो सकता है यार? So
It
that's
has
how-
good and bad sides to it, but
Yeah,
more
true.
so I think it's very positive कि fearlessness
Yeah.
है बहुत.
Yeah, absolutely.
कुछ चीज का डर नहीं है.
हाँ,
नहीं.
वही होना चाहिए लाइफ में.
Absolutely.
नहीं
कुछ
होना
achieve
चाहिए.
करना है तो.
Absolutely, I agree.
I think now people also not as judgmental as they were earlier, right? So, मतलब in perspective to Gen Z or in perspective to women also.
Yeah.
Like I'm talking from a men's point of view. So people used to judge a lot earlier, women, right?
Yeah.
कि women ये नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं कर सकती, या professionally ये नहीं कर सकती, categorize कर देते थे. But now I think that I think या तो हमारी judgment का lens कम हो गया है, या ladies don't, either the females don't care about कि क्या judge करेंगे हमें, ठीक है? We want to do, this is what we like, and they are fearless, and
Yeah.
especially the Gen Zs. That's
Correct.
what I feel. Is that so?
Yeah, very much so. Like this Ananya Pandey's reel recently went very viral.
Which one is this?
So Gen Z के ऊपर कुछ speech दी थी उसने.
Okay.
That you know we have a lot of clarity, but people take it as confusion because we are trying so many different things. But that exposure to different things is what is making us understand life even better. And because of the fearlessness nature of ours, we're like screw it, let's do it, you know.
Yeah.
And that with that mindset, when you have that, तुमको किसी का डर ही नहीं है लाइफ में, तो you'll try everything and
Yeah.
you'll figure it out by yourself.
Yeah.
और कभी लगता नहीं है कि you know कई एज पे पहुंचना है कुछ अचीव करने के लिए. हम जेनजीज को लगता है कि you know we have arrived.
Born arrived.
Born arrived, बस यही है. So that feeling is very good positive sentiment to start anything with.
Yeah.
Because you're like ठीक है किसी ने डांटा तो we have our own ways. तो क्या सामने वाला भी सोच के बोलता है उसको for granted. Like people don't take Gen Zs for granted now.
Yeah.
Because they know कि इसको चिल्लाया तो ये चले
चले
जाएगा.
I
So
agree.
it's creating a very good positive work environment.
Yeah, that's true.
मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. तो जस्ट बिकॉज अब मैं डिफरेंट एजेंसीज के साथ काम करती हूँ, तो मैं अपने बॉसेस को कभी ये नहीं बोलती थी दैट यू नो आई एम नॉट इन द राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड. तो आई मैसेज्ड आई रिपोर्ट टू 2 of my founders. They are in UK. So I was very drained with work. हमारे ना 2-3 हफ्ते से काफ़ी काम बहुत क्रेजी चल रहा था. मैंने लाइफ में पहली बार ये नहीं बोला कि मैं लीव अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, मैंने उनको मैसेज किया, आई फील ड्रेन्ड, I need 2 days off and I need to focus on other things and not work. This was my message ever in 20 years of job.
Oh my God.
To my bosses, who I would have never, I still work with that firm for 10 years now, I would have never done it. I don't know why I did it, but I felt they need to know that I'm drained.
Yeah.
I can't just say I want to apply for holiday. Like earlier I would have said, अच्छा अभी छुट्टी चाहिए, 2 दिन मैं आऊँगी नहीं.
Yeah.
And I just said I need 2 days off, and they very gladly said yeah take off, do whatever. I said हैं कभी तो life में I learned this from Gen Zs.
Yeah. Gen Zs
Let's
don't
say the
hesitate
truth.
to ask.
Say the truth.
Exactly.
And I was like, why? I have the confidence
Yeah.
to feel. So that's what I learned from you guys. That yeah, you can say.
Yeah,
it.
like you don't ask, you don't get.
Yeah.
और सबको मन में ही लगता है, मन में ही वो लोग रिजेक्शन ले लेते हैं. अब like पूछो तो सही जाके.
हाँ,
आज ही मैं किसी से बोल रही थी, वो पतंजलि का बहुत बड़ा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है उनका इंडिया में, एंड आई वाज सेइंग कि रामदेव जी के साथ इंटरव्यू हो सकता है क्या. बोलते वो कि आई डाउट ही लग रही, ही इज बिजी दिस दैट. आई एम लाइक हाँ ठीक है होंगे वो बिजी, बट ट्राई करने में क्या जा रहा है.
Right.
Why not?
Now normally a person would be like, oh I think if this person who's so close to Ramdev is saying no,
Then
होगा ही
only
नहीं.
this.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Normally people would think that,
हाँ,
but I was
that's what-
like, ठीक है वैसे वो अपना पर्सपेक्टिव से बोल रहे हैं, मुझे अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से ट्राई करके
Try तो
देखने दो
करना
क्या होगा.
Yeah.
And with this Devi Chitralekha also, who I've interviewed,
yeah.
so many people told me she has 6 million followers. You don't even have 6,000 followers on your page. Why will she come to you?
Right.
I was like, I know how to talk to her, and people respond to good vibes. You know, yeah, Gen Z is like moving on vibes these
Yeah,
days.
definitely.
And I'm learning from you.
Yeah. If you offer kindness to someone, and if you directly ask someone very nicely, and if you are doing something which is purpose driven, not just like a casual chat,
Right.
why would they
Why
say
would they
no?
say no?
Yeah.
And these managers who are the second level managers of
they
such
are the
people,
ones.
they create all the ruckus.
Yeah.
जो actual लोग होते हैं, personalities on the top, they're always open to meet
Open.
new people and
Yeah.
share the
Yeah.
stories.
Yeah.
So I always like find my ways through. मैं तो कितनी बार gate crash कर लेती हूँ.
How
And like
nice.
ticket कोई नहीं दे रहा तो क्या हुआ? I can make my own ticket. You know?
Nice. How nice.
So I
Gen
thought
Z.
I live very fearlessly, and I think a lot of us in our generation are living like that.
Yeah.
I'm sure that you guys also are getting adopted
Yeah,
to
yeah.
that style
Yeah,
now.
Yeah.
We are
Learning.
adapting ourselves.
Learning every day.
Version 2.0.
I know. So, how do you see women evolving from earlier generations to today?
Is there a
Like-
major shift in terms of the woman, probably let's say a CEO 10 years ago or something, or maybe a recent CEO, like a startup CEO.
From Indra Nui to a startup.
Yeah, it's such a unique question. Huh?
But have you like done any podcasts with them?
Yeah,
With the younger
I've
ones?
interviewed like a really old senior
Yeah, so
woman
that way,
lady
you know,
also,
without-
and a very young women founder also.
So where is the shift, or
Yeah,
what
what-
is the
yeah, the change.
mindset?
Yeah, the change.
There?
No, like you said, the younger people are now more open to working with Gen Zs because they want to bring those creative ideas in. The older ones were like, अरे ये इतना कम उम्र का है, मैं बात भी क्यों करूँ इससे?
Oh,
You
so
know,
there is
yeah.
that
The
mindset.
older mindset is like, we'll speak to our VP, our directors, our board members. But the new age founders or CEOs are like, ये इंटर्न कौन आया है, इसको मेरे साथ
इसको
बिठाओ.
बैठाओ, हाँ.
ये ज्यादा एंथुजियाज्म और एक्साइटमेंट लेकर आया है
ला
मेरी
रहा है.
कंपनी में. वो जो 10 साल जो काम कर रहा है उससे कुछ ज्यादा ही बता के जाएगा ये आज. And when they empower this next generation, the miracles that they create is so much.
Yeah.
Like today only I was chatting with someone who is like owning a media production company in Bombay, very famous. And he was telling me that he fired his CEO and he's looking for someone who's young and who can come and lead his company, which is like from 1950s. It's
True.
like that old.
Yeah.
And उनके भी परिवार में यही सब चलता था कि we'll hire someone experienced who will bring a lot of exposure. but वो लोग कुछ करते ही नहीं आके, क्योंकि उन थक गए वो लोग काम कर करके. क्या
They're
ही वो
burnt out
नया
already,
लाएंगे?
yeah.
So now everybody wants to work with that younger mindset who has that fire in their belly, and they have their hearts open to talk to anyone. And because of that fearlessness, no, they don't mind doing sales कहीं पे भी जाके.
Yeah.
If you hire someone senior, वो
नहीं, वो
बोलेगा
नहीं
भाई
जाएंगे.
मेरे ईगो पे है, मैं
मैं
क्यों
ही
जाऊँ?
जाऊंगा, मैं
हाँ.
जाऊंगा. वो आएगा या मैं
I-
जाऊंगा.
I
somebody
agree.
else
मैंने
will
मस्त
open
लगाया
doors.
है टाई वाई सत्यपॉल का, ब्लेजर पहना है वैन ह्यूजन का, क्यों जाऊँ मैं?
नहीं जाऊंगा.
But Gen Z will be like in torn jeans
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
some casual streetwear shirt. जाएंगे वो बेच के आएंगे,
yeah.
and they'll do much better work.
Yeah.
So people with our older mindset are not so prone to this kind of style because they're like, अरे इतना open कैसे हो गए? क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि हमारे कंट्रोल के बाहर से जा रही है
बाहर जा
चीजें.
रहे हैं,
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
So the older
It is-
mindset is to take everything in control and keep it to them. And the younger CEOs are like, this तुम्हारी कंपनी हमारी कंपनी है,
हाँ.
तुम चलाओ, तुम बताओ कैसे चलाना है.
Yeah.
So when you empower that kind of mindset into people,
Yeah.
they run your business, and
yeah.
you are like chilling then.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why you see older people now are more stressed because they are like sub micromanage करने का है, and the young founders are like chilling on their cool villas and whatnot.
True.
And I've also observed this one thing,
हाँ.
that the younger founders like to party a lot.
I know.
हाँ, और अपनी
That's
टीम
a-
को भी साथ में
Part में
लेके
करो यार,
जाएंगे.
हाँ, हाँ.
और जब आप वो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हो अपने टीम मेंबर्स के साथ, उनको लगता है कि यार ये तो हमारे दोस्त से भी ज्यादा बढ़ के है,
हाँ, हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
इसके लिए तो मैं अपनी जान भी दे दूं.
Right.
तो फिर वो काम ही अलग तौर पे करते कंपनी में.
नहीं,
तो
definitely.
ओल्ड लोग तो कभी ये सब करेंगे ही नहीं यार, वो तो घर पे भी नहीं बुलाएंगे खाना खाने के लिए, unless you are at that director.
Yeah.
So this is a big shift that's happening.
Yeah, yeah.
It was a very big change for us. Yeah, our friends, our friends
Yeah.
are big founders. So they are partying with their CEO, and फिर then they're partying with कि आज गोवा चलते हैं, वो अपने CEO के फैमिली के साथ, उनके बच्चे, मेरे बच्चे और उसके बच्चे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो पार्टी करने जा रहे हैं साथ में. मैंने कहा ये क्या लॉजिक है यार, मतलब and we have come from that norm कि यार मतलब पर्सनल लाइफ अलग करो और ये अलग करो. और मैं उनके घर जा रहा हूँ तो CEO घर में बैठ के रात को दारू पी रहा है उनके घर में बैठ के. मैंने ये क्या हो रहा है? That's how the things have shifted now.
Exactly. People want to integrate family and work together because that integration is very key right now.
Right.
People are like, हमको बैलेंस चाहिए अभी. पहले बहुत लगता था कि अलग रहेंगे ये सब, और जितना अलग करते गए ना उतने ही लोग भी आपसे अलग होते गए. तो and now people are realizing if you have to build $1 billion businesses in a shorter time, you have to get this done. Otherwise people will take years and years. आप मर जाओगे तब तक आपकी वैल्यूएशन पहुंचेगी भी नहीं उतनी.
अलग ही है. So I have one more question. So हमने mental well-being के बारे में बात करी. As a woman, थोड़ा सा like you know we are very conscious of how we look in terms of our body as well. Like intellectually, I know I'm great at it. I'll do it. Okay, I'll dress up nicely. But somewhere I am still lacking that confidence of carrying and seeing another woman. Oh, she's so fit. I'm not. वो आपने देखा है या आपने कुछ ऐसा करा है कि हाँ यार ये भी एक when you meet people in your circle, when they all come together, when they discuss in the forums, do you think ये वाला भी एक टॉपिक है जो अफेक्ट करता है एक वुमन के as a woman?
Yeah. हम तो लविंग योर क्वेश्चंस यार. इतना डीप रिसर्च मैंने कभी देखा नहीं.
पता लगा जब तुम क्वेश्चन पूछते थे क्या ऐसा होता होगा लोगों के साथ. हमारी बारी है.
I'm learning also so much from you guys. Like I'm loving this kind of unique questions that you are coming up with.
Thank you.
So yeah, it's something that is striking my mind right now that you told me about fitness and being successful. Most of the people who I've interviewed are into fitness. They do get up at 6 o'clock. And they do follow like a fitness routine before going into the work, because then the adrenaline with which you walk into the office, it's very different.
Yeah.
100%.
And people, even though you don't look fit, but if you are practicing good habits every day, it just makes you feel good.
Yeah.
And that's what matters. अभी जरूरी नहीं कि सब six packs वाले CEOs रहेंगे, but mentally if you are happy and if you feel stable, you're very fit in today's day and age. So people are practicing that a lot. And they do talk about fitness in my show as well.
Yeah.
They're like, you must get your time off from the work and just go out in the nature, spend time with nature, and just be by yourself.
Yeah.
Because that's a form of meditation which gives a calmness that nothing else can give.
Absolutely.
You know, so people have different kinds of way to relax. Some like techno parties में relax हो रहा है हमारा, वो करेंगे. कुछ लोग जाके आश्रम में जाएंगे कोई साधु संत के. कुछ लोग फिर
रनिंग के लिए चले जाएंगे.
ऐसी हाउस पार्टी में छोटा सा डिनर रख लेंगे अपने ओल्ड स्कूल फ्रेंड्स के साथ. So these are their ways of unlocking and rewinding, you know, and that's also considered as fitness these days. Because पहले लोग इतना अटेंशन देते नहीं थे ये सब चीजों को. So people are more keen to travel nowadays. They would like to go to recreational activities like wellness centers, wildlife safaris, everything that's making them connect more to themselves. They're doing it. And these people, all these CEOs, they have like, some of them have supercars and all. तो एवरी वीकेंड दे गो ऑन अ ड्राइव. जैसे बॉम्बे में तो लोनावला चले गए, करजत चले गए, हाँ पुणे चले गए. तो दे डू हैव दीज कम्युनिटी ऑफ पीपल who are at that same level. As I was saying, it's important to have people at the same level as you, because friendship also demands competence at the end of the day. So they do have these groups, and they every weekend they're off for hikes or bike rides and whatnot. So I'm seeing these CEOs and founders take this up a lot. उनके लिए काम जिंदगी और जिंदगी भी काम है. उनने बहुत उसको सही तरीके से बना के रखा है, you know. काम उनको काम लगता ही नहीं. Like मेरे को भी काम नहीं लगता है. When I'm talking to you or when I'm hosting my shows also, I feel like this is what I'm living life as, and this is what is making me happy. बाकी मेरे को लगता ही नहीं है कि भाई ये प्रेशर है, डेडलाइन है, ये करना है, you know. तो बस वो फीलिंग जब तक नहीं आई, I don't think so anything is worth doing.
But is this true for a women also? Because see, I know, I've seen Sudhati also as an example. They are running the house also. They are doing well in their let's say the companies as well, plus वो मैराथन भी कर रहे होंगे, हायरॉक्स कर रहे होंगे, XYZ सब कुछ कर रहे होंगे, राइट? सो ये सब भी कर रहे हैं और पर इसके बाद भी then they are doing very well in all the fronts, right? So मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये लड़कियां कैसे कर लेती हैं, हम कैसे नहीं कर पाते?
Very good question.
Yeah, good question.
So I was keep on thinking कि यार अच्छा ये भी कर लिया, वो भी कर लिया, मैंने even though I think that I am doing my optimizing my time, मैंने रियलाइज कि मैंने वो 2-3 चीजें तो ठीक है, तो अपने बेटे को हाय भी नहीं बोला होगा पूरे दिन से, वो भी हो गया, मैंने कहा ये कैसे हो रहा है? So I am trying to understand कि what is the secret, yeah? So
Yeah.
do you because obviously everybody has 24 hours in a day, right? So you don't, like as women you don't get more time, but how are they able to get more time? What do you think, meeting so many people, do you realize कि ऐसा क्या मंत्र है उनके पास if they are making much more let's say utilization of time? ऐसा कुछ लगा तुम्हें?
No, even I used to think this, और मेरा भी ये सवाल रहता था multitasking पे.
Yeah, multitasking.
How women are so good at it.
Yeah.
So I read a lot of surveys, and the people who I've interviewed also across the globe, they've told me that women are great at multitasking क्योंकि उनको बचपन से बताया जाता है कि आपको घर भी संभालना है, आपका काम भी संभालना है और आप खुद को भी संभालना है. तो जब ये माइंडसेट बचपन से इनग्रेन्ड होता है तो आप उसी दिशा के साथ चलते हो लाइफ में कि मुझे सब करना है, एंड देन यू बिकम अ वेरी great person at managing your time. And like a woman won't spend her time even 1 minute extra somewhere if she knows that she has to go back to the school and pick up her children.
never.
वो मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे भी आते एकदम टाइम टू टाइम करके जाते हैं, बट मेन समटाइम्स लाइक हाँ बैठ गए तो अभी बैठते थोड़ा बॉटल खोलते आराम करते, बट आई हैव सीन विमेन ना 1 मिनट भी ऊपर हो गया तो दे लाइक बस अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन जल्दी रैप अप करो. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द स्किल दैट इज डेवलप्ड. दे आर वेरी पंक्चुअल.
Oh yeah.
बहुत टाइम का कॉन्शियसनेस बहुत ज्यादा है. वैसे आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड विद टाइम मैनेजमेंट, आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग देयर, बट वो हो जाता है विद टाइम व्हेन यू हैव मोर रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज कमिंग इन.
तो ऐसा लगता है इतना ही टाइम है, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज करनी है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर मेरे पास टाइम है और चॉइस है तो मैं वो करूंगी जो ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे बच्चे के साथ वो करना है. अब जैसे कॉल्स के बीच में, ऑफिस के बीच में टाइम मिला है तो मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं मम्मी से अपनी बात कर लूंगी, बट मैं बेटे के साथ खेलना ज्यादा प्रेफर करूंगी. सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ स्टूपिड एग्जांपल, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट आई हैव टू prioritize my work and my things कि कैसे manage करूँ इसमें हो जाए.
I think as men ना we've been that mind में यही drill किया गया है कि first thing is पैसा लाओ, काम.
ये मैं बोलने वाली थी अभी.
That's what I feel now. This is what you made me think. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं इस perspective से, but now I feel कि हाँ यार हमारी तो first priority कि भाई पैसा आना चाहिए, काम आना चाहिए, उसके बाद everything is secondary, right? So अब वो secondary में priority बच्चा पहले आ गया, बीवी आ गया, वो आ गया, but I think for women everything is priority.
हर चीज
and they are trying to balance everything out. So हमारा mind ही नहीं चलता ऐसे. हमारा तो है कि पहला काम हो जाए भाई सब कुछ, इसके बाद अगर टाइम बचा
तो दूसरी चीज.
Good point. No, that's so true. I was thinking only कि मतलब for men our aim is to just go to the work and come back home. तो इसमें बीच में जो भी चीज आई ठीक है ना, but women ना we are born as nurturers. So we are by default very creative people. So in that creativity, we are always seeking satisfaction on many grounds. Like money is not something that most women get satisfied from. And that's also the reason why we don't see a lot of women CEOs. Because they're like, पैसा से हमारी जिंदगी नहीं चलती. We need to do a lot of other things. So as a woman, no, we like to also do our hobbies a lot. And in that pursuit of excellence, of pursuing like many things, we are like, जल्दी सब टाइम के हिसाब से होना चाहिए.
I think for men we've been categorized कि successful आदमी तब होगा जब वो अमीर होगा, right? है ना? So I think वो वैसा I think they don't categorize women. They don't see women कि अच्छा ये अमीर है तो ही successful होगी. पर like for example, let's say I'm successful. I'm not earning a lot of money, let's say, assume hypothetically, but I have mental peace and I'm doing very well whatever I'm doing. छोटा सा काम है पर अच्छा है, profitable है, ठीक है. So but people will say in society कि यार ये तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा तू, you know, you can do much more, right? That way. So I think men के साथ पहली preconceived notions और biasness है.
Exactly.
So that is where this is how we start operating. Now that I realize that कि हाँ मैं भी गलत ही operate कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, this podcast is becoming more of a deep introspection.
गलती किया, तुमने आश्रम जाके गलती किया. I think you're getting that vibe.
Yeah, it's actually a very good point.
No, that is true. मैं किसी एक इन्फ्लुएंसर को देख रही थी, मेन इन्फ्लुएंसर, उसने कहा यार मैं पैसा तो मेरे पास आ रहा है, बट अगर मैं सुबह उठ के अपने बच्चे के साथ 1 घंटा खेल पा रहा हूँ, मैं अपना एक्सरसाइज कर पा रहा हूँ, और मेरे टेबल पे एक वो खाना है जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, और शाम को मैं अपनी वाइफ के साथ आधा घंटा एक चाय अच्छी सी पी पा रहा हूँ, आई थिंक आई एम सक्सेसफुल। I said I'm pretty successful in life because I don't want to miss out on that when I'm focused on just getting money will come in. And trust me, he's a famous influencer. He's minting money. And he said, I'm not making money because I'm going out there and pushing myself. I'm doing it, managing and loving what I love the most. So, I mean, deep in a way कि आप फैमिली के साथ रह के भी सक्सेसफुल हो, मैनेज करके, या फ्रेंड्स के साथ, या हर चीज़ को बैलेंस करके.
So now in like Rishikesh, I was interviewing a spiritual leader and I was asking her ki, what is success really, and why do people think that if you're average, you're failure? क्यों जरूरत है कि मतलब आप एकदम टॉप पोजीशन पे हो तो ही सक्सेसफुल हो, ये क्या मतलब हुआ? तो उसने भी बोला कि these are all like worldly desires and illusions by which people live. But success comes very internally and it comes like जो आपका गोल है वो आपने अचीव कर लिया तो सक्सेस है, भले ही दुनिया को लगे ना लगे. And you need to be first satisfied with that fact that you don't care about the world's opinion. If you are satisfied internally, that's what should matter to you the most. And when she told me this, I was like, हाँ, क्योंकि मैं भी सोचती थी कि you know, अगर शो बड़ा लग रहा है लोगों को बाहर तो ही बड़ा है, पर ऐसी बात नहीं है. If I'm enjoying the process of building the show, that in itself is a success. And if when you have that positive mindset, you would want to create more of episodes. Otherwise बाहर का सोचोगे तो लगेगा कि छोटा ही है तो क्यों ही करे, बड़ा तो बन ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि world will tell you that बड़ा बनने के लिए ये करना पड़ता है, वो करना पड़ता है. You know, it's better to not take opinions. Even she told me this, that the more opinions you take, the more confused you will be, because the world is out there to scare you, not support you. Because everybody is very protective by nature, by our human instincts. तो वो आपको बोलेंगे कि ऐसा मत करो. But अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो आप ढूंढोगे रास्ता वो बनाने के लिए.
Absolutely.
Like for us also, we already doing too many things. Plus Sudhiti comes with the idea कि podcast भी करना शुरू कर देते हैं. मैंने कहा टाइम का है, चलो ठीक है. So now we are doing it without, like, it's a passion project. मतलब we are not expecting it to earn money. And the process is like without any expectations, right? अभी हम अच्छा लग रहा है बात करने में, we are happy being here. So we are for us, like earlier you said, money is the motivation. यहाँ पे motivation नहीं है. But today, you know that we just flew in, we didn't have any time, we were not able to connect also. Questions नहीं पता कि क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है. मैंने कहा चलो बैठ जाएंगे सामने जाके. तो like imagine that was that extempo this time.
And that's why it's coming out so beautifully.
It's natural.
It's so natural.
And we both just love meeting people, hosting people home. हमें कहा यार हमारे को ये पसंद है तो अपन कर रहे हैं ना, हम करेंगे, because this is what we love.
Right.
It is, as you
and
said.
by the way, this is one Sunday we get, right? And वो Sunday we were traveling, going for work, and then we do a podcast.
नहीं यार करेंगे.
ये तो काम लग ही नहीं रहा है ना.
हाँ, it's like chilling.
They're like a friend over, we're just talking and chilling, यार deep बातें करते हैं थोड़ी सी, चाट खाएंगे भी थोड़ी.
संडे को तो यही करते हैं लोग, बस हम थोड़ा फैशनेबली कर रहे हैं, लाइट्स और माइक के साथ
लग गए बस.
That's very sweet of you. So we're almost coming right at the end of.
Do we have rapid fire?
I wanted to do it, but नहीं यार rapid fire नहीं कर.
बहुत common हो गया है वैसे आजकल.
इसने भी ये बोला, मैंने कहा मुझे लगेगा. So then give me that one message you like to give all the women out there before we close this.
Yeah, actually I would like to give the message to everyone, because I feel at the end of the day we are all humans and we have the same heart and the mind with which we're operating. I would just say to everyone that be very much open to experiencing life. You know, let life happen to you. Don't go too much by a lot of protocols, rules, and schedules and deadlines. Because if you don't let the magic in the world to hit you, it won't come. Like sometimes, like today, in fact, I was not supposed to come to Delhi.
Yeah.
You know, I told you that 19th
20th,
I'll come.
correct. Yeah.
But I just, some of my friend in Rishikesh, they were traveling and they said, Delhi चलना है क्या? I said, हाँ ठीक है चल लो. तो मेरा कुछ प्लान भी नहीं था और अभी भी कुछ प्लान नहीं है. तो कुछ दिन ना मैं ऐसे ही बिना प्लान के लाइफ में चलती हूँ. And those are the best moments of my life, you know. Because I get to do these things and I meet such new people on the way, such new friendships, that I would never make in my other professional life otherwise, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो transaction होता है, वहाँ पे सब set agenda के साथ आए होते हैं.
Correct.
But when you magically meet people,
Yeah.
Things
That's the best.
बात तभी अलग ही होती है कुछ. ऋषिकेश
Because we
में
don't
भी
have any agenda, right?
हाँ.
We're just meeting.
Exactly.
अगर with expectations, agenda होगा, then it's not like the
Yeah.
free flowing conversation which we like to
yeah,
have, right?
but a lot of people don't do this, you know. I have friends जो बोलेंगे अरे we तो don't like to solo travel, हमारे साथ कोई होना चाहिए हमेशा, and they're like गाड़ी में ही बैठ के जाएंगे, भी ट्रैफिक भी है तो उतर के नहीं जाएंगे.
Right.
हम लाइक ये क्या है मतलब. हाँ, तो ऐसा है कि some days no you should just be so unplanned that you will witness a magic that nothing else can give you. Like let universe also gift you its power. Don't just self-impose yourself on the universe.
Absolutely.
And yeah, I've seen so many magical wonders. I randomly talk to people and they present me with so many opportunities, like I don't know, like we also
very
met
random,
so
yeah,
randomly.
very random.
We met very randomly at a party.
हाँ, at a party.
अरे हमने ऐसी friendship की
बना
तरह
ली.
बात की.
That's
and
crazy.
see today where we are sitting.
Yeah, imagine.
But people are with the mindset ना हम हमारे ग्रुप के साथ है, हम
हाँ,
क्यों बात करें.
हाँ.
तो लोग नहीं करते ये सब. But I would really suggest everyone
Yeah.
to have that urge of, you know, going out there in the world and experiencing what kind of people it has, what kind of adventures are there, what nature is there around us. And then you'll live life like no one else. You'll be like, wow, क्या जिंदगी है, you know.
So I'm reading this book by it's all about small stuff, and it is about all small stuff. Very beautiful book. It says the same thing. Sit in silence for 5 minutes with yourself. Go for a walk. Chill. Let the magic happen.
Yeah.
That says exactly the same thing, and it's so beautifully summarized for you. Sometimes you need to slow down. Be with yourself and let universe do the work for you. Very beautifully said.
Yeah.
So on that note, thank you so much,
Thank you,
Radhika.
thank you so
No,
much.
thank you for
pleasure,
having me
pleasure.
and making my Delhi trip successful. Otherwise, I would be like roaming around on the streets.
अभी तो शुरू हुई है.
There's lot more. We just started. अभी तो आगे तक जाना है. I'm sure we'll meet more often.
Yeah, no, this was such a nice, candid chat. One of my most refreshing conversations.
Great.
And it has actually made me think a lot.
Yeah.
I always think that whatever the guest speaks,
Yeah.
it's always a matter of the refined and rich questions that the host presents with.
Yeah.
And the guest
Absolutely.
always goes home with some thoughts which they never had in their life.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So all thanks to you for asking such great questions.
It was all her.
It's all teamwork.
It's a teamwork. We've been discussing all of that during our flight.
Flight में बैठ के
Flight
कर
में
रहे
क्या
हैं.
बात कर रहे हो? Oh my god.
It's like, this is what we're doing. Like literally
Yeah.
working. Yeah. But pleasure having
Pleasure.
you. It was a beautiful conversation.
Yes, I'm sure everyone will enjoy watching it too.
Absolutely.
नहीं, नहीं, definitely.
More than that, we've enjoyed so much,
हाँ, that
and
was
that's
the
what
best.
matters the most.
Yes.
So thank you so much
Thank
for having
you.
me.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so आज के एपिसोड में हमने डेफिनेटली सीखा कि कितना ज़रूरी है कभी कभी बस रुकना, समझना और दिन के साथ चलना. प्रेजेंट पे जीते, क्यों सोचते हैं आगे क्या होने वाला है. मैजिक को अपने आप होने देते हैं. जैसे हमारे गेस्ट ने कहा, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ठहराव रखें, स्ट्रेस ना लें. और एज अ वुमन हमें पता है हमारी बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं, हमारा काम है, टॉप है, अचीव करना है, हमारे एम्बिशंस हैं. बट सारे एम्बिशंस फुलफ़िल हो जाते हैं जब हम उसको अपने तरीके से देखें जो हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. दूसरा, आप ये ज़रूर जानें कि ज़िंदगी में ऐसे काफ़ी मोड़ आएंगे जहाँ हमें डिसीजंस लेने पड़ेगे. तो हमेशा वो डिसीजन लेना जो आपके हित में है. हित में मतलब आगे बढ़ते रहना और ज़्यादा मत सोचना. एंड ऑन दैट नोट आई विल रियली वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज़ हिट द बेल आइकन, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स हम आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे. और कोई भी गेस्ट है जिनको आप चाहते हैं हम लाएं, प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर छोड़िएगा. ज़रूर कोशिश करेंगे. फॉर नाउ, साइनिंग आउट. थैंक यू.